We're seeing a little bit more of this risk aversion creeping into the Asian session, whether that's a reflection of the massive macro event risk we've got throughout the rest of June with the UK's referendum vote, and whether we've got the Bank of Japan, the Fed meeting, the German Constitutional Court ruling on the outright monetary transaction policy, or whether it's the Spanish election. There's plenty for investors to stick their teeth into after what was obviously a very good May for a lot of risk assets. But we're certainly seeing back-to-back losses coming through in the Japanese market. That market down over 1%, the ASX 200 down over 1% today. We have seen some local data, which was actually better than expected. If you look at the trade deficit, it was certainly smaller than what the market was anticipating. The retail sales numbers up 20 basis points, but they're fairly stale data. They reflect data that was 2 months old. And we did see a little bit of a pop in the Australian dollar, but certainly that has been reversed now, and they're trading relatively close to session lows, down around that 72.40 area. But certainly, if you're looking at the equity markets around Asia, they are negative, with the exception of China, which is pretty flat on the day. And US futures have started pulling back a little bit. It does look like we're going into this June slightly concerned about where people are, given the fact that markets have had such a good run, and there's quite a lot of event risk. So certainly taking a bit off the top seems to be prudent, and that's what we're seeing in price action today.